100 divided by 153. 153 is nothing but 9 into 17. So, quotient function of 153 is n into 1 minus 1 by a. 1 minus 1 by 17. 16 by 17. 51 3s are 153. 3 2s are 6. 6 16s are 96. So this is nothing but 2 power 96 into 2 power 4 divided by 153. This is 1. 16 by 153 is 16. 16 by 153 is 16. First one, how much we got answer? 5 power 36 into 5 power 1 divided by 63. This is 1. 1 5s are 5. First two problems, see here, in the negative remainder, determining which power of 2 when divided by 153, that becomes a little complicated. Now it becomes little easy. You can determine which power of numerator when divided by denominator is 1 or 1 by using Euler's quotient function. Euler's quotient function will help us in determining numerator power x divided by denominator is 1. How to determine this x value when the denominator is a composite number? That is the utility of quotient function. Numerator power x divided by denominator, remainder is 1. Finding out, right, the value of x can be solved very easily by using quotient function, right? Now, third one. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. First, we will solve a lot of practice problems. 25 is 5 square. So, quotient of 25 is 25 into 1 minus 1 by 5, which is 4 by 5, which is nothing but 20. So this is nothing but remainder of 3 power 20 power 4 divided by 25. 3 power 20 divided by 25. Answer is 1. 1 power any number is 1. Rajat, I will discuss that doubt also. Shiva, yes, you have understood it right. 3 power 20 power 4 divided by 25. 1 power any number, it is 1. Fourth one. First we will see the concept. Last 3 digits for any number. Last 3 digits for any number is nothing but the remainder when I divide a number by 1000. Last 3 digits for any number is the remainder when I divide a number by 1000. You divide a number by 1000, I will get the last 2 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last 3 digits will be divided by 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 1000. 1000 ones are 1000. So this is 234. Last 3 digits for any number is the remainder when you divide a number by 1000. When you divide a number by 1000, you will get the last 3 digits. So this question is nothing but remainder when you divide a number by 1000. This question is nothing but remainder when you divide a number by 1000. So this is nothing but 1000 is 125 into 8. 125 is 5 cube. 8 is 2 cube. 8 is 2 cube. So this is nothing but 57 power 802 divided by 1000. So 1000 quotient function is n into 1 minus 1 by a, 4 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 400. So here it is remainder of 57 power 400 power 2 into 57 square divided by 1000. So this is 1. 57 square is 3249. 3249 divided by 1000. 1000 threes are 3000. Remainder is 249. Remainder is 249. Last three digits of any number is the remainder when you divide a number by 1000. 1000 is 125 into 8. 125 into 8. 5 cube into 2 cube. So 1000 into 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 2, 400. 400 twos are 800. Remaining is 57 square. 57 square is 3249 divided by 1000. 1000 threes are 3000. Remainder is 249. I hope it is clear. 25 is 5 square. So quotient of 25 is 25 into 1 minus 1 by 5. It is 20. So this is nothing but remainder of 3 power 20 power 4 divided by 25, which is 1, which we solved it already. 4 problems. I hope you all are understanding how to use Euler's theorem. Please kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you, so that we will get into the next level. Euler's theorem application. Is it clear to you? Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. If the denominator is a composite number, Euler's theorem is used to find which power of numerator when divided by denominator I will get +1. Now I will increase the level of difficulty. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Right. Now, next question. 6 power, this is the doubt which we took it. 6 power 84 divided by 49. 49 is 7 square. So, quotient function of 49 is 49 into 1 minus 1 by 7. So, it is 6 sevens are 42. So, this is nothing but 6 power of 42 into 2 divided by 49. 1 divided by 49. 1.